Alright, hi all. Project Staying here. Having a little issues with the fuel pump not kicking in, engaging. Once it's engaged, it will work, run. I've been told where the fuel pump relay is, like from 7 different sources, and it's just like finally. I got one source that actually told me where it was. You had to take the wheel off, pull the shroud apart. Actually, I have it already removed because I'm going to replace it, but it's, I don't know if you can see that. There's the wiring harness. It bolts somewhere right up in here. It's a 5mm bolt on top to take it out. The actual module itself was pretty rusted out. I don't know how it got that way with this shroud here, but you never know. Well, in the meantime, we've also replaced, the intake manifold with a new Dorman intake manifold. I did have to modify the bracket up here for the alternator. I had to drill a new hole for the top mount. See, as you can tell here, there's no brackets up here, but the hole's back here for the old. I did get the Ford Racing one. That one was too tall for to fit in the valley here. So, but other than that, this is working pretty good. Everything hooked up. I had to use their special hardware. Can't use the same bolts that you took off from the fuel rails and stuff. Other than that, waiting for the car to start running again. Alright, bye.